everyone, welcome to the Adventures of the Hendersons in the Philippines. So right now we are checking on some shoes and other items for their gifts because it's their not graduation but ending ceremony of their class. And my siblings are still having a trouble when it comes to picking what they wanted. Sa inyo, Aday. Actually, they told me about their also na siya, Day? Commencement ceremony. Recognition ceremony just this morning. I thought they will have that this Friday, so that's why I was shocked when I woke up and they told me about that. So yeah, I have no choice but to have them picking their gifts with me. Dika. So we're picking shoes for Joshua. He's one of the honor students. Also Giselle. Kana siya day cute. Pagita ba? Ha? Cute uy. Yung mo mo isuot? Ha? Mo mo isuot niya? So I needed their help. It's because it's no more time for a one-day shopping for them. Mga 36, 37. Ay, 37. Mabili na gali swa. And my shy brother is having a hard time picking his gift. Kari, oh, cute. Ay, kuhan ka na. Barog daw. Tanaw ta ba? 37 tanaw daw ta. Eh, balik ba? Balik. Ganaan ka style? Pira mong good siya. So my father is here.
Good morning to all our valued customers.
Good morning.
We would like to welcome you here at Akira Supermarket. We hope you will enjoy shopping with us.
So they haven't got any choice when it comes to shoes because they said what they have is old stuff. Waganaya ako nito. Igsuon sila. Choices of shoes they don't like them. So we're going to check out some clothes items. Karang dress ni mo dahil kailan makuan ni. Ay ko bahala. Lain man nilang dress. Lain nilang dress. So my sister is checking out their clothes items. Kung naabay nindot. Amili. And my brother is checking out their polo shirt items. Kanang colorful. Colorful. Kani nga, kuan di? Di kani. Kana. Pero pamiling size, kasi na sila available ng other sizes. Pink dong. O ka na. Cute. Pangonog size niya. Medium size. Ganun, small size. Try na ito. Pamili paglain. Para dito na. Let's see if you look good on those colorful polo shirts. Color pink. My brother is trying those polo shirts that he actually picked. So we'll see what suits best for him. And I'm going to check my sister if she got something already. So there's my mother, and she's helping my sister. Ay, oh, kana. Mama na itong gikuan. I-try, inday. I-try lo, good mo. Dili mo na kinahanglan nga. So, my mother and my sister was fitting also with the dress choices they have. Especially that this Sunday, it's actually our anniversary, church anniversary. So, ang mother for all season is nag-fit po sa iya. Kumusta man daw? Oy, ang ayan kag pink. Ang ayan kag pink daw. Tanaw eh. Ato bang dali? See? You look good on pink. Polo shirt. Tanaw na to. Kaya kitain mo kay Papo. See? Sakto ra? Hindi ka na ma. So he got his already. Ato na irap para gift. Ay. Ato bang? Ato bang? Dali gawas. Gawas gani. Gawas. Hindi ka na. Ako bang kayo? Sakto na mo maging mo ilay. Gusto ni mo po. Saan na siya nga size? One size naman na sila. Chute yung chute ka. Ate ka. Pasapot. One size. One size na rin. Sakto naman doon mo. Pero kung dili ka ganahan nga yan, imong video. Okay lang, sir. So they are done and they got their choices already, including my mother. And we're here at the sheer department. And we are done with the shopping part, and it's just an hour. Picky. They're gifts, but they're the ones who choose those gifts. And my sister is wrapping their gifts.
Okay.
Yeah, so they put it inside the sana siya day? Wrap? Gift wrap? Hindi mo guna gift wrap? Gift bag? Yeah. Bag. Paper bag. Because Joshua has to be there in the commencement ceremony. Our recognition ceremony at 11 a.m. And my sister is not in a rush. It's because their part is during the afternoon. Ibaday? Kumusta man? Okay na? Malipayon mas inyong nakuha? Are you happy with what you got? Yeah? Yeah, yes. How about you, Mama? Yeah. 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 So we're heading to my parents' house. And they're eating mani or peanut. And we got chicken for lunch.
Ilang ka chicken ang palit?
10
Ha?
10 chickens.
Sarap na to.
Sarap na to. Gamayan, makita.